Yes, we are in Ordu, Fatsa seaside at the moment. This is Black Sea region. This Black Sea is not a good sea for swimming because there is really big waves and it's so dangerous for swimming. In fact, this region is north coast of Turkey, and I am in Ordu city, and the Fatsa is a town of Ordu, and in after Samsun there is a city is called Ordu. And just I will look around the seaside in here. Oops. This is nearly the sunset time as well, as you see. As you see, this side of town is said to be Fatsa Ordu in north coast of Turkey. As you see, many waves in. Yes, this is north coast of Turkey. Is Ordu, and more wavy Black Sea region, as you see. And after Samsun, you can come to Çarşamba town, and after Çarşamba, Ünye town, after Ünye town, and can come to Fatsa. After a while, Fatsa, I can reach to Ordu city, I think. I will go to Pattaya, I think, soon. My program is set. At the moment, I bought my tickets. I'm in Turkey till 11th of November. 11th of November, I am flying to Ukraine. I will stay in Kharkov, Ukraine, nearly 10 days. And after a while, 21st of November, I am going to South Korea, Seoul, for 3 days. Maybe I pass to Osaka, Japan for a few days. Maybe I directly fly to Cebu, Philippines. I will stay in Cebu, Philippines a few days, maybe 5-6 days. After a while, I may go to Boracay in Philippines. After a while, I think beginning of December, maybe 7 or 8 December, I have a plan to go back to Bangkok. And I hope I will be in Pattaya 8th of December. It's my plan at the moment. I'm trying. Yes, at the moment it's my plan. Maybe I'm gonna stay 2 months around in Thailand. After a while, I have to go for visa run. That's why I may go to other countries as well. Maybe I will go to Indonesia, Bali at that time. I have planned to go there. But I'm just traveling in north coast of Turkey, Black Sea region, just for a few days. I fly from Izmir to Samsun, and I rent a car from here, from Samsun, and I'm traveling to north coast of Turkey in the east side of north coast. And this is a place of north coast, as you see. This is a lovely place to see the Black Sea region. It's all green, but for the seaside, I cannot tell you exactly. It's not good for swimming like in Mediterranean Sea, like in Marmaris, Ordu, Antalya. These sides is more calm for swimming, and North Sea is so dangerous for swimming. Black Sea is really dangerous. short-term live stream will be at the moment. I will end up the live stream soon. I hope my new program, as I said, will be good. I think 11th of November I go to Ukraine. Maybe I can do a few live stream from Kharkov. I think it will be good to share the time with you if you join to me when I'm doing scopes. Yeah, this is the seaside, and yes, no, I've been to Kiev as well, but this time I would like to go Kharkov. I like Kharkov. It's old town and it's a nice place to visit. I've been a few times Kharkov. I like Kharkov more than Kiev. Kiev is a bit big city. I like Kharkov. I would like to do some live stream from this region as well. Yeah. I will end up the live stream from here, just with the sunset view. I think 7th of December, 7 or 8th of December, I go back to Pattaya, and I'm gonna stay nearly 2 months in Thailand. Most of the time I stay in Pattaya, and other than this, I stay also in Bangkok sometimes and travel through the Thailand. I hope I will go some other places in Thailand as well. Possibly this time I may go to Koh Phangan for full moon party. It is a lovely place to visit in these full moon times. Okay, I will end up the live stream from here, from Fatsa, Ordu city, Fatsa town, and I hope enjoy your day and have a nice evening to you from here, from Ordu city, Fatsa town, from Turkey, north coast of Turkey. Enjoy your evening, and I hope to see you soon while I'm sharing my scope with you. Have a good evening to you.